Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to go live on your Roku Enable television from Zoom. Okay, so the thing is, you're gonna if you go to, I'm gonna show you how to actually set it up. Real simple. If you go to zoom.us, okay. Once you go to zoom.us, you're going to go to where you're going to sign in into your account that you use. So I need to sign into my account that I use. That one. Okay, so you're going to see where it has like a meeting or something like that. It has to be like a scheduling meeting or something. So what I'm going to do is, if you don't have any meeting here, then you need to set one, because it's the only way you're going to be able to set your thing. So we'll just do it as if you didn't have one. So I'm going to schedule a meeting, and on that meeting I'm just going to call it live stream to TV. When you can have it whenever, but December 15th, 9 o'clock, and repeat every daily or whatever. Okay, registration required, no, none, and just okay. And then it's gonna ask you, host, all this stuff like that. Does it need to be authenticated to log in, etc. Video originally on, off. So you allow people. Then you're gonna have your options. Yeah, so breakout room, okay, so you're gonna say save. Now, once you have saved the meeting there, you're going to go in and go on the bottom right here where it says live streaming. Now it's going to say configure your custom streaming service. Okay, you're going to enter the streaming URL, which is not that, obviously. One second, let me get that. Okay. You're going to get your streaming URL there. Okay, and then when you get your key, you're going to put the streaming key, and then if you have a page where it goes so somebody can click on it. Okay, and then if it requires authentication, we will show you this configuration during the meeting, so you can enter your username and password accordingly. And then you're just going to press save. Okay, all right, so when you go to your Zoom application, okay, and I'm going to sign in. Zoom is not set to be recorded by Zoom. Okay, make sure your application is configured to use Telestream audio for audio. Screenshot will not be able to record. What's it? Hold on. It say please make sure the application is configured to use Telestream audio capture device for audio output. Screenshot will not be able to record from Zoom without this. Okay, that's like it's because I'm doing a screen share. Okay. Oops. Okay. So if I go to my schedule, my meetings there, and I just do this, and I'm just gonna press start. Right. So it's just me on here, but when I'm gonna go to more and live stream, and it's gonna ask me for the information there. Okay, and then we're gonna press go live. So I'm gonna enter the information there. I don't think it's required right now, so we're just gonna go live. All right, and it's gonna tell me, hey, your Zoom meeting is being live streamed to the television station, right? So it's going up, it's doing what is doing, and of course, obviously, it takes me to the live stream page. And in just a second, we're gonna see it's gonna switch over to that, because again, it takes like a minute or so for it to go for it to go through. So if we go back to our inside our panel there, and I'm going to my services, is on
your Zoom meeting is being
it obviously recorded the audio because I have it set save on there. So the Zoom meeting is actually recording the Zoom meeting. I see it on my thing. I see it on the Roku station there. And if we go to the website, forgetting the site there, we'll see where it has officially switched over. Okay, so it's on, is on there accordingly, and then we're able to send the stream via our stream target accordingly. So if you are having a Zoom interview and you wanted to share that Zoom interview, that's how you are able to do it, via your Roku enabled web streaming services. Okay.